Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for ornaments, I mean, that are as big as a basketball, Dollar Tree definitely. Honey, this is like almost this, like the size of my head. They come in different colors. Check this out. Now, my loves, if you guys have not seen this, this is new at Dollar Tree. Kinders! Yes! Now, I absolutely love Kinders. This is the hickory smoke gel. Yes! Hickory brown sugar at Dollar Tree, $1.25. Now, this is the only flavor that they currently have at Dollar Tree. This is a steal deal like holy fail. Now, Dollar Tree also has this sriracha ranch sauce. Oh, it's good. But if you can't stand hot, like a hot sauce, then honey, this definitely won't be for you. Okay, but it's good. They also have this next item as well. Prepare yourself. Yes, prepare yourself. Peace, family. Listen, all new items at Dollar Tree. My loves, have you guys seen this? So, this is Tone Brothers, okay, which is a name brand. Chicken Winter Seasoning. These are seasoning. Not only do Dollar Tree have one of these, they have a few of them. So they also have the Works, and this is an all-purpose seasoning, savory, oil, and flavor for any occasion. $1.25. Check Dollar Tree out. Now they also have the Beef Chef, and this is bold garlic and red pepper for steaks and burgers. Yes! Oh, I like this. And all of those are $1.25. Yes, honey. You Dollar Tree, they not doing anything but just, at this point, just completely showing out. Dollar Tree has the collapsible paintbrush washer. Look at this. Love this. But honey, it gets better. They don't only have the green, and you guys know green is my thing like a chicken wing. They also have the pink one as well. Those are pretty much the two colors that they have. Love this. Okay, so all new at Dollar Tree. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the vanilla bean. This is an exfoliating foot mask. Now, you guys have seen the lotions already that goes exactly with this. This is $1.25. Now, they have a few different ones. Love this. You know, try to tell me Dollar Tree ain't down here moving their feet to the beat. Okay, all right. Now, they also have, I was in a Dollar Tree a few days ago and I came across this. This puts me in a mind of Bath and Body Works, okay? And I brought 3 of these. The 3 I had brought vanilla bean, cider and honey scent, and then chai latte. That video is up already. You guys could check it out. Now, the cashmere, I didn't try this one yet. But for this to be $1.25, it is not bad. Is, you know, I like it. Now, Dollar Tree also has these Beauty Intuition lip glosses, hydrate and then nourishing lip gloss, light pink, $1.25. Now, when it comes to the Beauty Intuition, Dollar Tree also have the bright red hydrate and then nourishing lip gloss. These are $1.25. Love this. Now, they also have the pumpkin chai latte. Yes! Now, this is a foot exfoliating foot mask, all right? $1.25, limited edition, you know, for the scents of the fall. Yes, honey, straight out the box, straight out the box. Now, Dollar Tree has the lip melt cherry bomb. Yes, look at this. It's definitely the packaging for me. Love this. Okay, and then they also have, this is just for girls, juicy apple scented, $1.25. But hold on, my loves, look at this. Isn't this cute? Look at this. This is so cute. This is like a juice box, juicy juice box, do you guys know that song? Okay, maybe you don't know that song. My oldest children used to listen to that. But anywho, in other news, this is the sweet orange buildable color hydrating lip gloss, okay? Nourishing, Dollar Tree said. Yes, $1.25. Now, when it comes to the special item of the day. You seen this? Okay, to the ones that's out there, they keep on saying, oh, I seen that, Dina, I seen. All right, what is it? What is it? Let's play this game. What is it? No, this is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner, which is $1.25. Love this. This is a steal deal like holy fish. If you're looking for new, exciting items, don't worry. Dina is going to deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Now, few items. We're going to go through this real quick, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, Marie Claire. We done talked about it. We done tried it, okay? I started to say I got Marie Claire on right now. I mean, I just have the eyebrow pencil on. At this location, they don't have the eyebrow pencil, but they do have this. Now, this is the highlighter. I have this. The highlighter, the blush, and then 4 eyeshadows for $1.25. Yes, and if you know Marie Claire, you know Marie Claire. All right? Now, they also have this next item that is going to just knock your socks off if you have any on, okay? Check this out. Now, they have this liquid blush over here. This is the soft pink. This is $1.25 from Marie Claire. Love this. Now, if you guys are looking for high pigmented shadow, LA Colors, love this. You get 4 of these for $1.25. Yes, friends. Yes, yes, yes. When I tell you Dollar Tree has so many new items, I mean, listen, this may have to be a 2-part video. They have these shower fizzies, pumpkin latte. They have a few of these. They have a few things going on over here. Check this out. Dollar Tree has a few things. They have the caramel apple shower fizzies. They also have the winter berry shower fizzy scents. Love this. They also have the cherry blossom scented bubble bath for the little ones, all right? They have Disney Princess. They also have Bluey. Honey, for so long I was thinking Bluey was a boy. Bluey is a girl. Now, Dollar Tree also have the apple scented bath soap, $1.25. They also have the bath confetti apple scented. Love this. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the Carolina Gold Wing Sauce Dip, heat level barely. Okay, great for dipping, drenching, and devouring. Okay, now this is $1.25. Now, recently, a few days ago, I had tried the crunchy chili onion. This is good. Absolutely love this. Now, I put this on my dumplings. Oh, honey, I was in heaven. $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree has so many exciting, fun items, oh my goodness. You want to check this out. You want to check it out. Now, another new item that I had seen at Dollar Trees, a few Dollar Trees, is the s'mores granola bites to keep you going. Because let us know in the comment section if you guys have tried this, and if so, how was it? I have not tried this yet. This includes 3 bags under 90 calories, and this is $1.25. Now, the folks on the internet streets been talking about this. Okay, so this is the Nescafe 3-in-1 Caramel Latte Instant Coffee Mix. Now, this is $1.25. Wait, hold on, chill. Is it $1.25 or is it $2? Honey, it doesn't say, but the almond milk is next to it, and that's $1.25. Oh, this one, honey, they don't say. Now, another major item that I had came across was the diced mango. These are packed in extra light syrup. These are $1.50. You get 3 of these. I thought this was like a steal deal, like Holyfield. Now, they had a few. Okay, yes. Now, they also have the Dice Yellow Clean Stone Peach Cups and Light Syrup. Absolutely love this. This is $1.50. They also have the Libby's Pineapple Tidbits. This is in pear juice. These are pineapple, and then they also have the Mandarin Orange Cups Light Syrup. 3 of these for $1.50. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree, they coming for somebody. Now, this is from Island Choice. I said, say what? Now, another item that I was like blown away by is the peanut patch. Now, let us know in the comment section if you guys have tried the boiled peanuts in the can, honey. This is like unheard of. Cajun slow kettle cooked. This is $1.25. They also have the original slow kettle cooked, $1.25. The South, they say the South's favorite snack. Pop open and enjoy. Now, I know some of you guys think I'm from the South because of my accent, honey, but I'm from New Jersey. Okay, honey, I'm a Jersey girl. These are $1.25. Now, this kind of seemed like a new item, the super pretzels, soft pretzels. You get 6 of these for $3. Oh my. Now, this, I wasn't really, a huge fan of this. The pork pot stickers, this is $1.75. Ooh, the only one they have pork. I think they also have chicken as well. I mean, not bad price point, but when it came to like the flavor, it didn't really have too much going on. You get what I'm saying? And it is ready to eat in 90 seconds, but it ain't have too much of nothing going on. Now, another major item that Dollar Tree has is the Colossal Clusters, peanut caramel chocolate gems, and chocolate drizzle. Now, these are $5. I like clusters. You get what I'm saying? I like me a good cluster. Now, if you guys have not seen this already, Dollar Tree has the Sour Patch Kids Sweetest Fish. Now, I had brought 3 of these yesterday. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. I almost ate a whole bag. Okay, now this is the sour and then sweet bites. These are $3.50. They also have, this is the one that I brought yesterday. The purple definitely was my fave. Okay, the grape, love it. Then they also have the watermelon, and then they also have the sweetest fish. Let us know in the comment section which one you guys like the most. I mean, the sweetest fish is nothing like a chicken wing. I absolutely like sweetest fish. But when it comes to the Sour Patch, I may have to go with the watermelon one. You get what I'm saying? I like me some watermelon. Alright, so to my pet lovers out there, my fur friends owner, love, Magnet, they have pets welcome, people tolerated. Oh, child, I think they making a statement. Dog mom, fur life, love that. Less people, more kids. Child, magical. Look at this, moments. Less people, more cats. Honey, these people ain't playing. The more I learn about people, the more I like dog. Child. These are $1.25. Alright, so look like Dollar Tree has some new wallpaper, if I'm not mistaken. Alright. Now, these, I did see this last year, and this one by far, hands down, the best of the best. Love the gold also. Then they also have this blue up here, okay? And then they had green and gold. I mean, I am a fan of green and gold, but it's just not calling out to me. It's not, it's not doing it for me. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little boxes over here, like these jewelry boxes. These are so cute. These are $1.25. Love this. Now, an item that is absolutely good for the winter is definitely the weather strip seal. Now, normally they carry this stuff at, hardware stores, but the fact that Dollar Tree has this for $1.25, I mean, that is just like blown away. Now, Dollar Tree also have the window installation kit. Love this. This is $1.25 as well. And look at this, the auto mirror ornament, okay, that comes in different colors. Well, they have the pink. This is so cool, like the cowgirl hat. Love that. They also have the white. Love that. Oh, this is like the cow print. And then they also have the black disco ball. Love this. So, Starry Night. Now, this is the globe light that comes in multiple colors, 7 different colors, automatically cycles through 7 colors, color changer, and it is battery operated. $1.50. Now, another hot item that Dollar Tree has out right now are they 4-foot lit PVC trees. Now, these are, I believe, $10, I believe, okay? They have two different colors. They have the white, and then they also have the green. So Dollar Tree has the red and white. They also have the red and gold, the gold and gold. I like the gold on top of gold. Then they also have the green, red, and gold. Love this. And then, of course, the first one that I showed you guys. All right, my loves, listen. Dollar Tree has so many items up in here. I mean, the Marie Claire, love that. The lotions that they have from Spa, oh my goodness, love those. The chai latte, really, really good, hands down. And then they also had the vanilla bean lotion as well. Like I told you guys, 3 of those I tried already, love them. They also had the foot mask that goes the same as it has the same exact scent. The bath Fizzies, love those. Okay, really, really good. Caramel, winterberry, I think one of them was really amazing. Let us know in the comment section, what are some of the items you guys purchased from Dollar Tree recently? What are some of the items that you are on the lookout for? Marie Claire, hands down, the best of the best. Ain't like the rest, okay? Until next time, I love you folks. Make sure you guys are commenting, liking, and subscribing. Have that bell on so you can be notified when I post the video. Until next time.